how to track your Grubhub order in real time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know exactly where your food is, here is how to track your Grubhub order in real time. So here, once you have placed your order on the Grubhub, Grubhub will automatically send you the order tracking screen. So here, if you just close the app and reopen it here, and once you have opened the app, you can simply go to the orders tab, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll get the access to tracking anytime. Now here you will see live mapping location of your driver with estimated arrival times and status updates like preparing, picked up, or almost there. And here you will also get real-time updates through push notification, so you never miss a beat. Now here, if you need to give extra delivery instructions, you can use the help or contact driver button on the tracking screen, and after that you know exactly when your order will get to your door. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.